This is a quick follow-up to my review video where I talked about the StreamDeck Plus. Shortly after I published my review, and despite having used it for about 4 months, I started to develop an RSI issue. And when you look at the StreamDeck, you can sort of see why. The angle is pretty steep, especially when compared to my keyboard. I asked around on Reddit and it seemed like it was possible to remove the base plate, but no one was sharing how. Well, it turns out to be super simple. Undo these 2 screws and you're done. On one Reddit thread, I found a link to these 90-degree connectors on Amazon. I bought a pack to try out, and my StreamDeck wouldn't power on. USB has become so complicated these days that I've no idea why, but I'm stuck using the supplied cable. If you do know what I'm doing wrong, please let me know. In the meantime, I made a little cardboard wedge to take the pressure off the cable. If you want to know more about what I think of the StreamDeck Plus, check out my full review.